We need air support, and we need it now. Roll in strike package Bravo on unknown target. I authenticate Tango Whiskey in time 0300 Zulu.
Intentional aircraft. This will be a danger close fire mission.
Weapons, I just get a call from Falcon Ops. Who's closer to Killbox 1 Alpha?
Send the Hogs, sir.
Okay, send the Hogs over to Killbox 1 Alpha. It's a danger close. It's at
Switch the
300
Hogs
feet.
to Killbox 1 Alpha, 300 feet, danger close.
Friendly's in the area.
7-man team north of Orange Smoke.
Proceed Killbox 1 Alpha. Gauge hostile.
Attack direction west. You're cleared hot.
Strike, tell me status of all right
Hog
now.
1-1, Dark Star status.
Lennox, the heat's coming. Laser target. We got a beam rider incoming. Lay target. The heat's coming. What? Bring it.
Receiving radar jammy in the vicinity of target.
Direct hit. Flash. Get us back on target.
No freaking way, that thing's still not down.
Spooky 3-2, use 105 shells. Bring the range.
Be advised, ground teams requesting 105 signal runners.
Roger, clear to engage all those. Go ahead and hit them. Direct hits right now.
Line them up. Wicked. That's one hell of a fireworks display. Yeah, he's toast.
Copy.
Did we lose him?
Warthog 1.
Confirm visual on print.